Seems to be a pretty bad tropical storm heading towards Louisiana, and they've already called a state of an emergency. And it's dumped a lot of rain in Florida. Tropical Storm Gordon. And here's the video that came out on the Weather Channel. I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume up and play this video.
The latest information from the National Hurricane Center, Tropical Storm Gordon continues to intensify. Right now, top sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. It is moving to the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour, and we expect it to continue to strengthen as it works its way through the Gulf of Mexico and then makes its way onshore late Tuesday into Wednesday. So this is going to be a nighttime thing here, and that always makes it a bit more dangerous. Now, notice we do have hurricane warnings that are up. We are expecting that Gordon will become a hurricane before landfall. In that purple area, you could see some winds that are up to 75 miles per hour. So it's going to be a rough go for a while. Not only that, but we're talking about storm surge, 2 to 5 feet in areas that are very low lying. This could lead to some flooding problems. Not only that, but with those strong winds, we're also looking at power outages, likely in these areas where you see the pink, most likely in the dark pink. So with all that's coming at you, I hope you're preparing. Paul Goodlow is in New Orleans, where folks are preparing for Gordon.
So again, voluntary evacuations outside the levee protected areas, also voluntary evacuations for Grand Isle in here in Louisiana. By the way, speaking of that area, Jefferson Parish as well as Lafourche Parish, their public schools have been canceled for Tuesdays. We want to make sure there's no hindrance for people to prepare, because basically now through maybe midday tomorrow is the time to prepare and then kind of ride this out.
All right. You know, the first...
Rita.
Let's turn that down. The first few hurricanes were going to the West Coast. So this one came up through the Atlantic. And I know last year, the worst storms came towards the end of the hurricane season. And those storms were all pretty severe. So Louisiana has called a state of an emergency. Red flags, meaning the water is closed to the public because of hazardous surf and tides, because you know how people will run down to the beach to watch the hurricane come in, which is real foolish. And so they're telling people to stay out of those areas, and they're talking 4 to 6 inches in Alabama to be dumped. So it should make impact, they said, according to the news report, at nighttime in Louisiana around Baton Rouge. And they're talking, they could see 4 to 7 inches of rain just over the next few days. So hopefully everybody is prepared and will be okay. If you're down in that area, stay safe and do what you have to do to get supplies and anything that you need ahead of the storm. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I will see you on the next video. Peace, family.